Now click on your team. If you want to create new team, you have to click on the add. If you want to invite the member from here, if you want to create the new team, click on team, and here the upper side 3 dot, create new team. If you want to update something on your existing team, so click on the manage team. Okay, now in general, post for showing your student list or your member list. File, if you want to create the folder, click on create folder, type the name and create it. Okay, if you want to create some file in this, so click on the upload. If you created already in your phone, so select from that location. Okay, more in this, in my team app, assignment and note 1 is not showing here because of this is logging from the organization, not by the school. If school was giving me the Microsoft ID, at the time I will see here in the place of copy link rename the note and assignment. Okay, now go back. Before go back, click on the 3 dot. This is a pin channel. If you want to pin in your group, at the time you have to click on the pin, otherwise this is not necessary. Back, and if you want to chat with your students, so click here, simply add the name or mail address, invite him, and chatting is going on. If you want to chat with the new member, so this option is here. If you want to create the meeting, so this one is very important, schedule. Here you have to create the meeting, just like I have created the 2-1, so I am creating the third one class. Suppose in July of 17 I have the 4 classes, so I have already made here 2. Now I am making a third one class. So before, you have to select the day. Okay, timing, suppose this timing is going on my third class, third period is going on, so clicking on the right click, this ID was created. Go back, see here on the same date 3 classes have been made. In this way you have to make your meeting, and before joining the meeting or before the 10 AM you have to share your meeting invite through a team or through a WhatsApp, whatever you use the easiest way to send the meeting ID to your students or your group. If you want to edit something, click on the edit. If you want to change the ID, then click on the ID, or timing, if you want to change the timing, and click on the right click. If you want to delete this meeting, click on delete. If you want to see the meeting option, go to the meeting option, but still yet I am not showing any kind of information here because this is a mobile app. In the desktop app, the meeting app can be showing the more lots of features, just like Google Form, assignment, create the quiz, question paper. These all the things are mentioned in the desktop version only. And when you created this team, look here on the 16th of July I already made 3 classes. 17th of July I already made 3 classes. In this way you have to mention your timetable in this section. Okay, now come back. If you want to join this, suppose 1:30 is going on and my class is going to start on the 1:30, so this page will be active, but you have to click on the join, and when you are joining, your participants are waiting for you, and when they are clicking on it, you also join now. Right now clicking. symbol. Okay, now one thing, if your suppose your one team is deleted, so here is not a backup option is present, you have to just again create the new team. See here, file is deleted, that means no response, so the file is created, file is deleted, sorry. So this one is my first. Suppose I want to create the 6B again, so the same process, click on the team and this one file and create the new team. If I want to manage something on my existing team, so click here and manage team. So computer instructor, computer class is going on. Whatever you want to manage, file, delete, update, this is all the things we have to do from here. Okay, understand? I hope you will understand, and best of luck for your online teaching.